Hi everybody, this is the Planet Earth here. It's 4:31 a.m. on 9/4/2017. So, this is a hurricane emergency for Miami. This is a hurricane emergency for Miami. I am not a professional meteorologist, however, at the same time, three different models are saying it is most likely going to hit Florida now, or even West Florida. But even if it does, Miami is still going to be devastated by this hurricane. And even if it doesn't hit Florida, it's going to go through here, and it could be here, and it's still going to cause a lot of wind damage. It doesn't matter where it's going at now, unless we're lucky and it goes phew. But it doesn't look like it. Three different models now are saying, even the GFS now is saying it's going to hit Florida on the 9th, um, and then on the 10th here, and the 10th, and then at 5 a.m. and then 11 a.m. It's gonna start heading north towards Florida, and then it's gonna head towards Miami by 5 p.m. in the afternoon, and then it's gonna get really, really destructive. It's gonna get really destructive, and there's gonna be 100-mile-an-hour wind. And let's just go back to the 10th, and let's go like at 8 p.m. at nighttime, and let's go to 11 p.m. And it's saying just about 11 p.m. Of course, it was going to hit Key Largo right on the dot. Of course it would. Of course it would, wouldn't it? And yeah, so of course it would. Of course it would. And of course it would. Of course it fucking would. Now we got the GM here and the GEM model, and the GEM model unfortunately also says it's going to be hitting. It's also going to be hitting Miami, and that's the GEM model. And then when we go to windy.com, it also says that it's going to definitely hit Florida for the European model. The ECMWF also says it is going to hit Florida and then take a sharp turn to the northeast. Alright, so 10th, and then you see how it's getting closer to Key West, Miami, Port St. Lucie right here. See, we're not that far off the coast. And then this one says this. This one says more of a Key West landfall, Homestead, Miami, and then go as a major hurricane north, and then do its thing. So that's according to those models. Now I don't. Yep. So, and let's see what the current forecast is. So we got that one, we got this one, that also agrees. Okay, so here's the probability of tropical storm force winds. There is South Florida, and looks like Lake Okeechobee, and Miami, and then you have Palmetto Bay, you have Cutler Bay, you got the Homestead, then you have all that other stuff. And then here is the cone of probability of the hurricane coming, and it's obvious that it is going to become a major hurricane, hit the Caribbean islands, and then it's like square right there. You see that? Unless it goes, it's gonna hit Miami. So, yep. So guys, I am telling you right now, this is a hurricane emergency.